ॐ मायाकल्पितमातृतामुखमृषा द्वैतप्रपञ्चाश्रयः सत्यज्ञानसुखात्मकश्रुतिशिखोत्थाखण्डधीगोचरः मिथ्याबन्धविधूननेन परमा नन्दैकतानात्मकम् मोक्षं प्राप्त इव स्वयं विजयते विष्णुर्विकल्पोज्झितः शङ्करं शङ्कराचार्यं केशवं बादरायणं सूत्रभाष्यकृतौ वन्दे भगवन्तौ पुनः पुनः ईश्वरो गुरुरात्मेति मूर्तिभेदविभागिने व्योमवद्व्याप्तदेहाय दक्षिणामूर्तये नमः। ओम शांति शांति शांति। पेज नंबर 418, second last line. तो पूर्व पक्ष said प्रत्यक्ष प्रमाण will do बाध of Advaita Paraka Shruti because Pratyaksha is Gyeshtha Pramanam etc. Siddhanti said Pratyakshataha Chandra is Pradeshika, but Shruti Vakya there Shabda says Chandra is bigger. So by Shruti, Pratyaksha is Badhita. In the same way, Mithyatva of Jagat will do Badha of Pratyaksha Janya Satyatva of Jagat or Dvaitam. Further, Nanu Yayoraikyam Shrutya Bodhyate Tayor Bhedah Prasakto Nava. Yayoho Bhedam Shrutya Aikyam Shrutya Bodhyate. The Aikya of Jiva and Brahma, is that Bheda Prasakta or not? Prasakta means, is it known or not known? Is it there or not there? Between Jiva and Brahma, is Bheda there or not there? This is the question. If you say, no, it is not there. If Bheda is not there, na antyaha, Purvapakshi says. Na antyaha means Bheda is not. Then asakta pratyashedha patat. If Bheda is not there and you say between Jiva and Brahma, there is no Bheda. If Bheda is not there and you negate Bheda, is called aprasakta pratyashedha. That which is not something, if you say it is not. Ghata is not pata. So somebody says, I never said Ghata is pata. Na adya. Adya is if Bheda is prasakta. If Bheda is there, existing, then how do you know that Bheda? So he says, prasanjaka pramana, through some pramana. What is prasakta here?
Bheda.
Bheda. Prasakta is Bheda. Prasanjaka is pramanam. Prasakta, if you want simpler word, aropita, you can think like that. Bheda is aropita between Jiva and Brahma. Aropa karana is called prasanjaka pramanam. That pramanam which will do the aropa of bheda, aropa of prasakti. Prasanjaka pramana, so that pramana and shruti will have virodha. Prasanjaka pramana virodhena, how aikya bodha will happen? Some pramana says between jiva and brahma there is bheda, and shruti pramana says there is abheda. ऐक्यस्य बोधयितुम् अशक्यत्वात् इति चेत्. Now Siddhanti is going to answer. There is a shloka given in Nyayamrita on 419. Pratyaksha prasaktam ched aprasakta nishedata. Shrutehe syat tat pravrittam ched tad badha susthirah shrutehe. So that which is not pratyaksha prasakta, pratyakshasya aprasakti there where, if that is there, then aprasakta nishedata. Then that nishedata is aprasakta, means you cannot have that. You cannot do negation of something if that thing is already known. So aprasakta nishedata shrutehe syat. Shruti will have aprasakta nishedata. Tad pravrittam ched tad badha shrutehe susthiraha. And if it is tat pravrittam, if in that, if shruti still has pravritti, then shrutehe badha susthira. Then shruti will get badhita, according to Purvapaksha. Siddhanti gives the answer now. He says, na. Antya paksha bhyupagame dosha bhavat. What is antya paksha?
Shruti pravritti. What is that?
Aprasakta. Veda is aprasakta.
Veda is prasakta. The one whose aikya is shown by Shruti, that those two, their bheda is prasakta or not. So the antya vikalpa is, it is not prasakta, means it is not there. So then Purvapakshi said, if it is not there, why are you doing badha? It is aprasakta pratisheda. Siddhanti says, even if we accept that paksha, antya paksha abhyupagame dosha abhava. There is no dosha. Why there is no dosha? Because when you say aprasakta pratisheda, aprasakta pratisheda iti cha kim aprasiddha pratiyogitvam kim va nishprayojanatvam iti vivechaniyam. Aprasakta pratisheda means aprasiddha pratiyogi or nishprayojanatvam. You have to answer. Siddhant is asking Purvapakshi. What is pratiyogi?
Veda.
Abhava.
Yasya bhava sa pratiyogi. I had mentioned those who are not doing Nyaya study, they should use their time to do this Nyaya study. Otherwise, Such things you will never catch. So aprasiddha pratiyogitvam, Advaita Siddhi Bhasha is all like that. Prasakti, prasanjaka, pratiyogi, etc. Aprasiddha pratiyogitvam. If pratiyogi is aprasiddha, then you are saying that it is aprasakta pratishedha, or there is no prayojanam. Therefore, you are saying it is aprasakta pratishedha. That you will have to answer. Siddhanti is asking. In other words, the one whose nishedha is being done by Shruti, that pratiyogi is prasiddha somewhere or not. It's Purvapakshi feels, I will give you a little bit more detail now itself. Purvapakshi feels that Bheda should be prasiddha in the same adhikarana. Siddhanti says the Bheda should be prasiddha somewhere, whose negation you are doing here in this adhikarana. So Siddhanti is distinguishing it. So according to Siddhanti, na adya, not the first one. Not the first one means aprasiddha pratiyogitvam. Why? Anyatra prasiddhasyaiva bhedasya bhedatvena upasthitasya परस्पर प्रतियोगी अनुयोगी भावेन अन्यत्र निषेध संभवात्. अन्यत्र प्रसिद्ध is the pratyogi. Bheda is what we are discussing. Bhedasya bhedatvena upasthitasya paraspara pratyogi anuyogi bhavena anyatra nisheda sambhavat. It is prasiddha anyatra, its nisheda is anyatra. For example, in Vayu, Rupam is there or not?
No.
In Vayu, Rupa is not there. So, Rupa is aprasiddha in Vayu. If I say Vayu Rupam Nasti, I am doing the nishedha of Rupam in Vayu, which is not there. So Purvapakshi will say this is what?
Aprasiddha.
Aprasakta pratishedha.
This is aprasakta pratishedha. Purvapakshi will say this is because it is not there and you are negating. So Siddhanti will say it is Bheda is not prasiddha in Vayu. Means in Vayu, Rupam, sorry, not Bheda, Rupam. In Vayu, Rupam is aprasakta. But Rupam is there elsewhere. In Prithvi Rupam is there, in Jalam Rupam is there, in Agni Rupam is there. So Rupam is known somewhere, prasiddha somewhere, whose nishedha you are doing somewhere else. So Ghata Pata Bheda is known. Jiva Brahma Bheda is not known. Jiva Brahma Bheda is not there. Therefore, it is aprasiddha. Its prasakti is not there. Therefore, if we do nishedha of Jiva Brahma Bheda, that Jiva Brahma Bhedo Nasti or Neha Nanasti Kinchana. So Purvapakshi will say if there is no Bheda, then why you have to negate? It is aprasakta pratisheda. Bheda was never there to begin with. You say Bheda was not there in Jiva Brahma, but Bheda was there somewhere else. That Bheda we negated. So here in Darshtanta, if you want to apply this, the Bheda Prasakti is what we are seeing elsewhere, like where it is Prasiddha, let us say Ghatapata. And its Nishedha is being done in Brahma, whose Anuyogi is Brahma, Pratyogi is Prapancha or Dvaita. So in Brahma, there is no Prapancha. In Brahma, there is no Dvaitam. This is the Nisheda. So in some other Adhikarana, some Bheda is Prapta. In some other Adhikarana, it is not Prapta and it is not possible, therefore its Nisheda is possible. So Purva Paksha says, no, this is not allowed. See, next sentence. Nacha tatraiva prasiddhis tantram. So Purva Pakshi's Vakya will be this much. Tatraiva prasiddhis tantram. Siddhanti will say, nacha. Tatraiva prasiddhi. Purva Paksha says, Tantra means Siddhanta. The Siddhanta should be, means the rule. The rule should be that there where you are doing Nisheda, there itself it should be Prasiddha. In the Nishedha Karana, Pratiyogi Prasiddhi should be there. So Siddhanti says that is not required. Siddhanti says no, nacha. Why? If you do this, if you say there where Bheda is there, there alone you can do Nisheda. Then what will be the problem? See, he is giving answer. Nisheda prama matrodcheda prasangat. This is going to be the problem. There where something is existing, there alone you can do Nisheda, Purva Paksha says. It should be Prasiddha in the same Adhikarana. In that Adhikarana, you can do Nisheda. So in some Adhikarana, if it is Prasiddha, you will never be able to do Nisheda. So Nisheda Prama Matra, Uchcheda will happen. Nisheda is one type of Prama. That Prama you will never have. So, in Brahma, if there was Prapancha Bheda, then you can do Nisheda. In Brahma, there is no Prapancha. Or Brahma, Prapancha is only Adhyastha. Prapancha doesn't have Satta. So first it has to have that separate Satta. Then you have to negate. So Siddhanti says, this way, you will never be able to do any Nisheda. This Pratyogi Jnanam need not be Prama. If the Pratyogi Jnanam is Brahma, that Brahma is enough for its nisheda. In Rajju, Bhrantya, I thought there is Sarpa. Then the nisheda comes. In Rajju, there is no Sarpa. Rajjau or Rajvam Sarpo Nasti. So nishedha, anyway, you cannot do nishedha of Prama. Bhranti Rupena, if something is Prapta, you can do its nishedha. And then that nishedha jnana will become Prama. If Pratyogi Jnanam itself is Prama, nishedha will never happen. In Agni, in Teja, Rupa is Prama. Then you cannot do nishedha of Agnau Rupam Nasti. You cannot do that. Na Dvitiya. What is Dvitiya?
Nishprayojan.
Nishprayojanatvam.
Nishprayojanatvam. Na Dvitiya. Anartha nivrittireva prayojanatvat. It has prayojanam. Anartha nivritti is prayojanam. Any such pramatmaka jnanam which is doing nishedha of any bhrantyatmaka jnanam, its prayojanam is only one, anartha nivritti. But that anartha can create too many problems. So it's not a small thing. That's why its nivritti is very much essential. नान्तरिक्षे अग्निश्चेतव्यः इत्यादौ स्तुतिमात्र प्रयोजनेनापि अप्रयोजनेनाप्यप्रसक्त निषेध दर्शनाच्च. न अंतरिक्षे अग्निश्चेतव्य. This is a Shruti Vakya. Now you see what the statement says. Antarikshe agnihi na chetavya. Antariksha means in the Akasha. In the Akasha, you should not lit up the fire. Akash means in the middle of nowhere. So somebody says, how will anyone light fire in Antariksha? Agni Prajwalanam will be only on Prithvi. Some base will be there, there Agni Chayanam will happen. So he says, Na Antarikshe Agni Chetavya, this Nishedha Vakya, this is Pratishedha. So here also if you apply, there is no Prasakti only. Antarikshe Agni Chayana, Prasakti is not there. You cannot do it. Then why negating? Why negation is there in the first place? That's how you should understand. Ityado stuti matra prayojanena. This vakya is for stuti, stuti of gold. That you should not do Agni Chayanam just like that in the air. You should put some suvarna, some gold paper or gold coin or something. On that you have to do Agni Adhana. So it is Suvarna Stuti. Stuti Matra Prayojanena api Aprayojanena api Aprasakta Nisheda Darshanajya. So Stuti Matra Prayojanam is there. That's why the answer to this actually is Suvarnam Nidhaya Chetavyam This is how the Vakya says. First you have to put Suvarnam, then you have to do Agni Chayanam. So Stuti Matra is the Prayojanam of this Nisheda. And therefore, Aprasakta Pratisheda is not really Aprasakta Pratisheda. Anartha Nivritti is the Prayojanam. So even if you say, if someone says it is Aprasakta Pratisheda, it is not there and you are negating. Say, but it is serving a purpose. It will do Anartha Nivritti. As long as it is serving a purpose, even if it is Aprasakta Pratisheda, you should do it. Further, Atha Shrutya Yayor Abhedo Bodhyate Tayor Upasthiti Nava. Another Purvapaksha. Yaya Shrutya Yayoho Abhedo Bodhyate. Between Jiva and Brahma there is Abheda. So are they Upasthita or not? Are they known or not? Tayoho Upasthitihi Asti Nava. Let's say they are not there. If they are not there, na antya. Anupasthitayoho abheda bodhana yogat. That which is anupasthita, abheda bodhana ayogat. Abheda bodhanam is not possible. It has to be upasthita. Purvapaksha is saying. So Jiva and Brahma, if they both are not upasthita, means both of them are not existing, how can you talk about abheda? Abheda bodhana ayogat. Adya vikalpa is upasthiti is there of Jiva and Brahma. Adya sakim shruti janya pratyakshadi janyava. So there upasthiti is based on shruti or based on pratyakshadi. Abheda is given by shruti. Their upasthiti is also by shruti or is by pratyaksha. This is the question. So let's say abheda is by shruti. Prasiddhi is by shruti. Then na adya. Shruter manantara gochara bheda matra paratvena ghatadi upasthites तज्जन्यत्वा भावेन सर्वाद्वैत असिद्धेः. So let us first try to understand. When Siddhanti says Neha Nanasti Kinchana, because that is the Shruti used now. Because in the next further statement you can see Shrutistha Kinchana Ityadi Pada. Kinchana is Neha Nanasti Kinchana. So between Ghata and Pata, Bheda is there or not? What will Purvapaksha say?
Yes.
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 It is there.
Ghata and Pata. Siddhanti wants to show there is no Bheda. How Siddhanti wants to prove? Siddhanti will say Swabhinna Bhinnasya Swabhinnatva. Swabhinna Bhinnasya Swabhinnatva. Ghata is Brahma Swarupa. So you see here, Ghata. Ghata is Brahma Swarupa. Pata is Brahma Swarupa. Swa Abhinna. Swa Abhinna is Brahma. And Swa Abhinna Abhinna is Pata. Swa Abhinna Abhinna. Therefore, it is Swa Abhinna. Ghata is not different from Brahma. Brahma is not different from Pata. Therefore, Ghata is not different from Pata. This is what Vedanta wants to say. So, Purvapaksha says, this abheda between Ghata and Pata, the upasthiti of Ghata and Pata is through Shruti or Pratyaksha.
Pratyaksha.
It is not through Shruti, na adyaha. Shrutehe manantara agochara abheda matra paratvena. So, Shruti doesn't reveal Ghata Pata. They are Pratyaksha bodhya. So, Advaita Shruti will say what is not known through other pramana, that only Vedanta will talk about. What is known through Pratyaksha pramana, Anumana pramana, it is not Vishaya of Vedanta. So, if it is Pramanantara, Agochara, then only Shruti will do Bodhana. So, Shrutehe Manantara Agochara Abheda Matra Paratvena. The Abheda in this Srishti is shown by Shruti, which is not known by other Pramana. So, Shrutehe Shashti Manantara Gochara Bheda Matra Paratvam. अभेद मात्र परत्वेन घटादि उपस्थितेः तज्जन्यत्व अभावेन. घटादि उपस्थिति is a pratyaksha only. Similarly, patadi upasthiti. So that is not through Advaita Shruti. And therefore, in their upasthiti, even though it is not through Shruti, Shruti can still do Abheda Bodhanam. But Purvapakshi says, no. घटादि उपस्थिते है तज्जन्यत्व अभावेन सर्वाद्वैत असिद्धे है. This is all Advaita will become asiddha. This is Purvapaksha saying. Why? Because it is not upasthita through Shruti. So, Ghata Patadi Abheda Bodha will not happen through Shruti. Abheda Abodhanena Ghatadi Upasthite Tajjanyatvad. Their Bheda is not known, therefore Sarva Advaita Asiddhi. Advaita Siddhi you cannot do. Because between Ghata and Pata, the Bheda you are trying, Abheda you are trying to prove through Shruti. But Ghata is known through Pratyaksha, Pata is known through Pratyaksha, and their Siddhi is not happening through Shruti. Then how will Shruti be able to do the abhed bodhanam, because though they are not upasthita through Shruti. Siddhanti will say, in neha nanasti kinchana, the kinchana pada, see further, श्रुतिस्थ किंचन इत्यादि पदानाम अनुवादकत्व अभ्युपगमात्. श्रुतिस्थ किंचन नेहनानास्ति किंचन, these padas, they are अनुवादकत्व. अनुवादकत्व means घटादि सहित समस्त प्रपंच is upasthita in kinchana. There is not even a little bit of many. Kinchana. श्रुतिस्थ किंचन इत्यादि पदानाम अनुवादकत्व अभ्युपगमात्. They are only अनुवादक. Let us keep up to here. द्वितीय तु तयोर्भेदोपि प्रत्यक्षादि सिद्ध इति क्व अद्वैत श्रुति अवकाशः. Okay, let's just complete this much. So, द्वितीय तु तयोर्भेदो अपि प्रत्यक्षादि सिद्ध. If you say घट is प्रत्यक्ष सिद्ध, पट is प्रत्यक्ष सिद्ध, घट पट भेद is also प्रत्यक्ष सिद्ध. Then where is the scope for Advaita Shruti? If just because it is Pratyaksha Siddha, therefore Shruti cannot negate, is not true. So then, Kwa Advaita Shruti Avakasha, Purva Pakshi will ask. Siddhanti says, Maivam. It is not like that. Yat Pratyakshadina Grihyate, Tad Bhedopi Tena Grihyate Eva, Iti Niyama Abhavat. This we will see next session. Om Purnamadaha Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadaya Purnameva Vashishyate. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Shankaram Shankaracharyam Keshavam Badarayanam Sutra Bhashya Kritau Vande Bhagavantau Punah Punah Ishvaro Gururatmeti Murti Bheda Vibhagine Vyomavad Vyapta Dehaya Dakshinamurtaye Namaha. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti.